Hi guys, welcome to another session of Study PPC. Today we are going to look at how to create a discovery campaign. Discovery campaign is a new campaign type which Google launched recently, which is used to run ads on YouTube home feed, Gmail, and on Discover. In this campaign, you will be able to do audience targetings, demographic targetings as well. So let's have a look at it, how to create this campaign. In order to create the campaign, guys, the first thing we will do is we'll click on the new campaign button. This will give us an option to choose the goal for the campaign. So let's say for today's session, I'm choosing sales as one of the goals. And now you can see under campaign type, you have the option to create a discovery campaign. Once you select it, you can click on continue. And now you have to fill up all the details regarding this campaign, starting with the first thing, which is going to be the campaign name. You can also provide the location targeting where you want to show these ads geographically, and then you can choose your language as well of the customers of your customers what they speak. You can also set an appropriate bidding strategy for this campaign. For this campaign, let's say we are going with target CPA for now, and then you can give the budget for this campaign. If you go into additional settings, over there you can also set up ad schedule. If you want to run these ads on particular day of the week or time of the day, then you can do that from here. You can give the start date, end date of this campaign in this manner. And then you're coming to campaign URL options, if which is used basically for targeting purposes. You can set it up from here. You can also do your conversion tracking setting over here at an account level or a campaign level from this particular place. If you want to exclude certain content from your ads to be shown on them, you can select those from here. And now we are coming to the ad group level where you can name this ad group. And then as you can see, we are getting into the targeting part of this campaign. So you can do audience targeting. So in audience targeting, you will get the options to do remarketing. If you have a remarketing list, you can link it from here, or else you can create a custom audience as well, wherein you can create your own audience based on people's interest or the kind of searches they do on Google. You also have an option to choose in-market audiences. So you can select your audiences, in-market audiences in this particular manner. We can also do live events targeting, which is basically targeting based on certain special events which has happened in one's life. So you can choose that from here. Apart from that, you also get an option to do detailed demographics if you feel that if you understand the kind of audiences who do business with you and you understand their demographics, you can choose that from here. And the last one is affinity audiences, where you can choose the categories based on people's interest in this manner. Once you have done the audience targeting, you can say done. And now we are coming to demographics targeting. Under demographics, as you can see, you have an option to target based on gender, age, parental status, and household income. So you can select, you can think about the customers who come and do business with you, and based on which choose your appropriate demographics. Once we have done our targetings, we are coming to the ad creation part where you get an option to create a discovery carousel ad or a simple discovery ad. We'll have a look at how to create this carousel ad. It's going to be a very simple process wherein on the left panel you're going to give the details of this ad, and on the right hand side you will be able to see the preview of how the ad comes out to be. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to give the final URL of this ad. So I'm going to pick one and I'm going to put it out here. We can give the headline of the ad. in this particular manner. Try to provide as much information as you can. Give the business name, and now you can attach some images. The system will scan some images and will pick some images from here. You can take those as well. Now, since it's a carousel, so it will ask you to add like at least like two images one after the other. You have to give a headline to this card as well. You can also give a call to action phrase. Now, if you're doing a booking on your website or you want people to apply for your service, you can choose the appropriate call to action. In the same manner, go ahead and add more cards and more images. You can also make use of these stock images if you want to. So from here with Google Stock Images, you'll get multiple options to select from. Again, you have to provide a headline for this. So give the name of the business. And you can say done. If you want, similarly, you can add one more to the whole list and give the business name. All right. So now once you have given, you can see this is how the ad is going to look like on Gmail, on Discover, and on YouTube. You can see the preview individually as well of how the ad is going to come out to be. This is on YouTube home feed. This is a preview for the ad coming up on Gmail. And the last one is going to be the way the ad is going to look like on Discover. Once you have added your images, you would also need to provide a logo for this. So you can pick a logo as well. In this particular manner. And then you can go ahead and add this to the ad group. Once it is done, you can click on create campaign and this campaign will start publishing the whole thing. Once the campaign is created, the ad will go into a review. Google will take like one business day to review your ads. Now, as you can see, the campaign is ready. And now you can see this is how a discovery campaign will look like. And also this is the ad group which we have created. On the left panel you will find ads where you can see the ad and you can see the preview. It says as it is gone under review. If you click on the ad, you will be able to see the preview of the ad, how it will look like. This is how it is going to be on YouTube home feed, and this is how it is going to come on Gmail. And the last one will be on Discover, where the ad is going to come. This is the another version for Gmail where the ad is going to come. And the last one, as you can see now, this is coming on Google Discover. So in this manner, guys, simply you can go ahead and create a Google Discovery campaign. which is going to run on these three different locations, and you can do your branding and awareness creation. I hope this video was useful, guys, and if you like the content, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, if you can leave them on the comments section. I would be happy to answer those. Thank you so much, guys, for today.